Good morning children, this is Pavani, teacher of English. Now I came here to explain 8th class, 3rd unit humanity. In that 3rd unit, we are reading the selfish trait. Humanity which means generous behavior. Okay, and just observe the picture once. Here, in the face sheet, a person is there sitting on the floor and another girl is giving something to the man. Okay, mean from this picture what did you understand? Okay, that is the generous behavior. Okay, whatever we are having, we have to help to others. That is the meaning humanity. Okay, now in this one we are going to start the selfish change. Okay, and here this story is a fictional story which is written by Oscar Wilde. Okay, and this part 1 and this part 1 and the B reading is part 2. Okay, now let me start. Old Jane and the giant refers to the same characters. Here in the while reading we can see giant character and old Jane. Both characters are the same. The giant is selfish character whereas old giant is change and kind character. If you find the giant here, he explains to the children, his direct story. Okay, he explains in the story he talks to the children. Here, old giant he describes the story. Okay, what is going on? What is the story about? He describes the story. Okay, and old giant addresses the audience directly. Okay, in the old giant he talks to the audience. The action plays out behind him as he describes it. Okay, the action will go away and he describes what is going on around him. Okay, now old giant is telling that what he had in the past. Once I owned a large lovely garden with soft green grass. Here and there, the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees in springtime broke out into delicate blossoms, and pink pearl in the autumn bore rich fruits. Yeah. Yes, these peach trees now they are not exist. Okay, 2000 years back those peach trees were exist in China. Okay, and here both flowers and fruits it gives. Okay, and in his garden 12 peach trees are there. Yes, the birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. Okay, and here the different types of birds came to his garden and the children used to listen and they played with the children played in the garden. Every afternoon as they were coming from school the children used to play in my garden. Okay, but one day I came back. The children after completing his school hours while they are coming from the school and before going to the home they played in the garden and after that they leave the garden. Okay, while they were coming to the school they played in the garden. Okay, but one day I came back to my house. Before he was there somewhere. Where he is, let us see. I had been visit my friend the Cornish ogre had I stayed with him for 7 years. Okay, 7 years he was there with his friend Cornish ogre. Okay, after 7 years were over. Okay, 7 years has been completed. Now we want to visit his house. I had said all that I had to say. I determined to return my own castle. Okay, then he said to his friend, now this is the time to leave. I would like to go to my home. So he said to his friend Cornish ogre, when I arrived, I saw the children playing in my garden. Okay, now I came to my house. Okay, the giant came to his house. Okay, then I saw the children were playing in my garden. Immediately, the giant, I already told you, he is very selfish. Then he shouted at the children. The giant, what are you doing here? Immediately, the children ran away from the place, from the garden. Immediately, they scattered. Means some members they ran another place, some members go another way. Okay, they ran, they scattered from the place. Immediately, the giant, my own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that? That I will allow nobody to play but myself. Okay, it is my garden. I won't allow anyone to play in my garden, he said. He shouted at the children. The old giant points out the younger giants working on a wall and putting up, using and listening at the wall. Okay, and he prepares the wall. He decided to construct a wall because the children enter to the garden. That's why he don't want to give a chance to the children. Immediately he decided to construct a wall. Yes, old giant. So I built a high wall around and put a notice board. Okay, and he constructed a wall because not to enter the children to the garden. And he kept a board. Okay, what is the board? Trespasses will be prosecuted. Trespasses means the person who enters to the place without permission. Okay, without permission, if you enter, the person will be definitely prosecuted. Prosecute means punished. Okay, definitely the person will be punished. He kept the board outside of the wall. I heard the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. Okay, the children were there and now they scattered. They went out from the garden and they are whispering. Whispering means slowly talking. Okay, what they are telling? The children, all those children are talking. Okay, because now they are out of the garden. What they are talking? Let us see. Tall girl. Now we have nowhere to play. And now tall girl is saying that now we have no way to play. The garden is very beautiful and that is very useful for us to play hide and seek and different types of games. But now the playground is not there. The garden is not there for us, she said. Short boy. Okay, we can play on the roads. The short boy is telling, okay, no problem, we can play on the roads, he said. But square girl, but the road is very dusty. I don't like to play on the road. The road is very dusty. The square girl said. And the graceful girl and full of hard stones. Those are so many hard stones are there. Definitely those hard stones gives hurt to me. I don't want to play on the road, she said. Round one. I don't like it. Even I also don't like it to play on the roads. Graceful girl. Let's walk around the wall. When our lessons are over, at least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Okay, there is no chance for us. Okay, while we are going to the house, at least we can talk about the garden. Okay, the graceful girl said. Tall girl, how happy we were there. Wow, very fantastically we played there. Okay, how happy we were there. The round boy, and the round boy is telling that about the selfish thing. Okay. He is very selfish. He is very selfish. Only one person is there, but he is not giving a chance for us to play. Okay, he is too much selfish. Who said? The round boy. Immediately, the giant is listening what the children are talking. Immediately, he opens the door in the wall and shouts at the children. Immediately, he opens the door. He shouts at the children. What did he say? The giant. Oh, my own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play it but myself. Don't you understand? I already told you it's my garden. I won't allow anyone to play in my garden, he said. Old giant. Now he is describing. Then the spring came and all over the country there were little blossom, little birds. Only in my garden it was still winter. Means here all over the country different types of flowers, different types of birds came. But in my country, in my castle, in my garden, still it's winter. The birds did not come to sing and trees forgot to blossom. There were no blossom, there are no flowers and there are no birds. The people who were pleased best was snow and the frost. Here, the Oscar Wilde described frost and snow as a persons. Okay, those are not persons, but he is described as a persons. Okay, who are the people who are here? Only frost and snow. Who said that now? The old giant said only frost and snow were there. Okay, he is waiting for the spring. In the springtime, you can find different types of flowers and different types of birds. But birds are not there. Even birds are also not there. And snow and frost were there. And now snow and frost they are talking. Spring has white cloak which means a type of coat, a type of cloth. And the crows painted trees silver. Then they invited north wind to stay with them. Okay, and here the bold giant describing these things. Okay, what happened? The snow covered. Snow means here it's a what is that? Water vapor from the ice cubes. Okay, it is the water vapor from the ice. Okay, the snow is falling, and the snow covered the grass with the white cloak. How the grass is there? It's like a white cloak. Grass is, we cannot find any green grass there. Completely that is in white in color because that is a snow. And frost painted all the trees silver. Okay, completely those trees attached with the ice cubes. Okay, but there is no tree. Okay, completely attached with ice cubes. Okay, then they invited the north wind to stay with them. Already north wind is because frost is there and snow is there. That makes too much wind. Again they invited. They wrote a letter to north wind. Come here. Here no spring. There is no spring at all. Come here. Let us play. Immediately the north wind came. When he came and he was wrapped in heavy furs, he rode all day about the garden and rejoiced, blowing and chimney pots. Okay, chimney pots means here. Yes, here. This is the chimney pots. Okay, whatever we are putting inside the kitchen, and means the smoke will come from here. Okay, and here the north wind makes a lot of sound. Okay, already we know wind makes lot of sound. Means the north wind came, it makes a lot of sound. North wind. This is a delightful spot. We must ask to him to come and visit. Okay. Oh, we are very happy. Okay. Our friend Hale must come here. Then we will enjoy it completely. Okay. Then this is the delightful spot. Why? Because all over country spring came except this garden. We must call Hale. We must ask Hale to come here to enjoy with us. He said. Okay, next, old giant. So the old hail came. Again the hail. Hail means it's a rain with ice cubes. Every day for 3 hours it rattled on the roof of the castle till broke most of the slates. And then he ran round and round garden as fast as he could. Okay. And what is going on? The hail came, and with that hail sound, so many slates broke. Slates means that is the tiles on the roof. Okay, these are the tiles on the roof. Those were broken. Why? Because the hails put on the hail came to the garden. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was ice, like ice. I sat at the window and looked out my cold, white garden. Okay, now he is waiting when the spring comes, and he is sitting beside the window and he is watching everything what is going around him. Okay, and he is waiting for the spring. Why didn't the spring come? We can see in the next part. Okay, and now the giant. I can understand why the spring is so late in coming. I hope there will be a change in the weather. Okay, I think there will be a change. That's why the spring did not come here. I think so, he thought. Autumn. Autumn is telling that he is too selfish. That's why all over the country spring came, except his country there is no spring. Autumn said he is too selfish. Old giant. So it is always winter here, and north wind and the hail and the frost, snow danced through the trees. Okay, only these things were there. He is still waiting for the frost. Why? Above. The reason is too selfish. Okay, because of the too selfishness, the spring did not come to his garden. What happened? Means is the still winter is there in the part 2. Let us see. The part 2 is very excellent. Okay, and I hope everybody understood part 1. Thank you.